Hey everybody, how you doing? This is your boy, Cincinnati Clad King. I wasn't going to film today, but I decided might as well go ahead and film and give you some more insight on how to DoorDash and DoorDashing. Right now, I just completed an order, another Walmart grocery order that I delivered. I already dropped it off. I'm just waiting on my next order right now. And the order was for $6.35, total of 8 or 9 miles. Going to Walmart and then delivering the customer food. But I want to give you a look at kind of the area I hang out at to get my orders and show you some of the stuff around here. So, all right, this right over here is Chick-fil-A, and we have another restaurant here, McKenzie or something like that. It's a pizza place. We have Chili's over there. That's the restaurant I just mentioned. Vanilla Bread, Buffalo Wild Wings right there. And this is like a big strip mall. And across over there, just on the other side of Chili's, maybe about 200-300 feet, is Chipotle's. So this is where I hang out at, and this is where I get a lot of orders. I will call this my base. All right, I just wanted to show you that. All right, guys, I just got another order for Chipotle's. Again, like I said, Chipotle's is right over there, maybe 1,000 feet from here. And total mileage is only 2.5. I think the order is for $4.25. Not a lot of money, but again, I'm not driving that far. And should be able to pick this up and get to the customer's house in no time flat and be ready for another order. I have to wait. It's 10:30 right now. I don't think Chipotle's open up until 10:45, so I actually have a 15-minute wait before I can pick up that order. The time that you think it's going to be a simple order is not a simple order. Like I stated earlier, it's only 2.5 miles to deliver to the customer's home, which would be a breeze. But because I have to sit and wait for 15 minutes until Chipotle's open up, this is where I sit, and now I'm talking to you guys. You just don't know. Nothing is ever simple. Just dropped my second order off. It's a retirement home, old folks home. I don't know if that's politically correct, but a retirement home that I had to go up on the second floor and find the person that I had to deliver the food to. So I'm waiting on my next order. So far, 2 orders, $17.75, which is pretty good. Let's keep going. For $4.72, plus now they offer a $1 bonus, and it's snowing outside. So I'm going to get on my way and deliver this customer order. That order was done. We're going to move on to our next location, and hopefully we get another order soon. Like I told you earlier, it's snowing outside right now, and these are the times where it's more dangerous. You have a dusting on the ground, makes it more slippery and more of a hazard. So you really have to focus on driving so you don't have some little fender bender or some more serious accident. My tip for DoorDashing when it's snowing outside. A question I might have answered on one of my previous videos, but how much can you expect to make in a day or per hour? Well, a day depends on how many hours you want to go out and drive. I roughly only do it three hours a day, probably about 20 hours a week mostly. But right now you can have, I'm averaging about a little over $13 an hour when I go out. And it's been consistent for the last 5 months. Now, one of the things you need to look at if you start driving, make sure you go out dashing in an area where there's a lot of restaurants. That's one thing you want to do. I read a lot of reviews of people complaining about they set for 2 hours, they set for 3 hours, didn't get a job. I have no idea where they're dashing at, but if you're sitting in an area that's not in a 5-mile radius, there's not a lot of restaurants, well, you're not going to get a lot of orders. So make sure you set up in an area where there's a lot of restaurants, and that's going to increase your chances of making more money. I'm going to go ahead and end my day as far as dashing. I've been out 2 hours and 15 minutes, so I'm going to call it a day. A little tired, but that's the beauty of doing this. When you don't feel like dashing, you can stop. Made $27.68 in 2 hours and 15 minutes. So you're looking at, I don't know, over $13 an hour again. So once again, I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. You have a great day and be safe.